Now let's summarize at this topic. Many of us are having these issues of tan lines due to the harmful ultraviolet radiations from the sun. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a home remedy to get rid of those unwanted tan lines. So before we go there, first let us know why we get tans in the first place. A tan is your body's kind of mechanism to protect itself from the harmful ultraviolet radiations. So there is a chemical called melanin which is responsible for your skin darkening or your tans. Your skin releases melanin under its surface layer to absorb the ultraviolet radiation. So that is how we get tan lines. So how long does it take a tan to fade away from your body? So based on your skin types, the more darker your color is, the more it takes to go it away. Using a sunscreen before you go out is also a wise option. So when you buy a sunscreen, always look in the ingredients which have zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. A tan will take at least 8 to 12 weeks for it to fade away. Using a high SPF lotion is also a wise option. So always when you buy a sunscreen, always look for 15 to 50 SPF. Anything more SPF than that, it's not worth buying at all. According to a skincare foundation, an SPF 15 blocks 93% of the harmful ultraviolet radiation and SPF 30 blocks 97% of the harmful ultraviolet. So there is no need to go higher SPF than that. So now let me show the remedy on how to remove these tan lines easily at home.
First thing we're gonna need is yogurt or dahi.
Based in lactic acid, curd has natural bleaching agent to fight suntan quickly.
Next thing we are gonna need gram flour or we call besan powder.
Besan has been used for detaining and brightening one's skin tone for centuries.
Next thing we're gonna need half tablespoon of turmeric powder.
Turmeric is known for its anti-aging properties. It also repairs the damaged skin and lightens the skin tone. Lastly, we are gonna need rose water. Rose water, due to its astringent properties, it also helps skin pores and tones the skin.
After adding all these items, we mix it thoroughly.
In the end, we get a thick paste.
As it is ready, use your clean hands to start applying on the tan areas of your body and on your face.
And leave at least 20 minutes after this. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you find this helpful, make sure you like this video, comment down below what you think of this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.